can only show you the door. You have to walk through it.
Hello guys, welcome to the Crypto Matrix. I'm Mr. Legend. In this video, we'll be taking a look at an altcoin, Solana. Solana is down 16% over the last 1 week. Solana is down 23% over the last 1 year. And the last 1 month has seen Solana lose 23% of its value. SOL is down over the last 1 year, over the last 1 month, over the last 1 week. Market participants are scared. $1 million question is the cycle over? Are we ready to dump to Goblin Town? We look at Solana's valuation against the US dollar on a weekly time frame. If we're dumping to Goblin Town, how low can SOL go? If the bull market cycle is over, where are we going to find support deep in a bear market? There's extreme fear in the cryptocurrency market, which tends to happen anytime when a very, very huge turning point. Anytime we see extreme fear in the cryptocurrency market, has always been a good buying position. If Solana is in a good buying position right now, how high can it go in the coming days and coming weeks? We look at Solana's valuation against Ethereum, Solana valuation against Bitcoin. We also look at news stories going around the cryptocurrency market. How high can Solana go if we see altcoin season come through? We'll talk about that and more in this video. But first, guys, an investment in knowledge pays the best interest. When it comes to investing, nothing will pay off more than educating yourself. Do the necessary research and analysis before making any investment decision. Let's get down to business. The last 1 week has seen a lot of altcoins in the market dump double-digit losses across the board in the cryptocurrency market, with Solana losing more than 16% of its value in the process. Solana has closed below its 50-week moving average. It has done so multiple times this cycle. We saw Solana dumping below its 50-week moving average in April of 2025 when we had the tariff tantrum. Solana was coming from all-time highs then. Solana was trading around $295,000. Solana was trading around $295 on the 13th of January. And by the time that dump was over, we saw Solana down to as low as $93, losing around 68% of its value in the process. Solana recovered. It recovered from that dump to Goblin Town. So now recovered from the $98 level. We saw it rally back to as high as $250. But since then, guys, we have been dumping to Goblin Town. The good news is that we have not broken the lows we set in April of 2025, but the bad news is that the vibes are down in the cryptocurrency market and market participants are scared to the teeth. Solana has been distributing, and I've been a big believer in Solana's distribution that has been going on since the 4th of March 2024. If you bought Solana then, you missed nothing over the last 500 plus days, over the last 600 plus days. Yes, Solana went up to as $250. Yes, Solana went up to as high as $295. But it also dumped to Goblin Town to as low as $98. Solana has been ranging above $140 for 623 days. It's either we're undergoing the biggest accumulation of a lifetime, that will see Solana pump towards $1,000, $2,000, maybe even $3,000, or smart players are actually selling their tokens that they bought down in Goblin Town right here. They are selling it above $130, $140. They're selling it for cheap, for sweet profit. That's what the smart players do. They always buy when the prices are low, when the vibes are down, and they always sell when the vibes are up, when market participants are excited. But right now, we're seeing the excitement fade in Solana. Solana has been one of the leading chain this cycle. A lot of meme coins have been launched on Solana. Millions of meme coins have been launched on Solana over the last few months. But right now, it feels as if the vibes is leaving Solana. Right now, market participants are tired of Solana just being boxed in a range. Even though Solana gives us a 100% pump from where we're currently trading, it will still fall short of all-time highs. If Solana rallied towards $280, that's a 100% pump from where we're currently trading, but that's still Solana failing to set new all-time highs. I expect Solana to have a bounce. I'm not one of those market participants that believe will continue dumping in a straight line. Remember, nothing goes down in a straight line, but there's a very, very high probability that Solana has topped in this market cycle. We saw a lot of bearish divergence for Solana when it set new all-time highs in January. Solana's price was setting new all-time highs. The RSI was telling us there was trouble in paradise. And even though when Solana went to $250, that was just as early as September 8th, September of 2025. Solana had a lot of bearish divergence. Solana's price was around $250. Solana's RSI was nowhere to be found. And then we saw a big decline to Goblin Town. But one thing I've noticed, guys, is that the farther we go into the cycle, the more market participants are impatient. Sentiment right now tells us there's extreme fear in the cryptocurrency market. And historically, extreme fear has always been a good time to buy. Extreme fear has always been a turning point. If you look at what happened in April, there was extreme fear in the cryptocurrency market. Solana dumped to as low as $94. What happened after that? We saw sentiments improve. We even saw extreme greed return back to the cryptocurrency market. And I believe something similar will happen right now. Even though we might not see the rally last long, I strongly believe that the market cycle always ends when we're pumping to higher prices. It doesn't mean we're pumping to new all-time highs. It just means the market participants feel like we're going to the moon. We're singing Kumbaya. A lot of market participants have sold their Solana. Right now, they're holding some cash. Right now, they're just paying attention to the chart. You have to ask yourself this question: what will make them rush back to the market? What will hack their brain that they will say, you know what, I can't miss this, I have to buy in? Imagine they sold Solana at $150. Right now, they're feeling good with themselves. I sold my Solana at $150. Solana is trading at $140. I'm a genius. But imagine wake up tomorrow and Solana is trading at $200. They will feel stupid. They will feel as if they lost some profit. What will they do next? The only thing they can do next is either buy some Solana, get into the party, or continue sitting on the sideline. That's what I believe will drive the next rally. BS getting liquidated, and a lot of market participants that have sold out catching FOMO. Because with extreme fear comes opportunity, and with Solana trading at the $140 level with extreme fear in the cryptocurrency market, don't be shocked to see Solana go to as high as $200, maybe $280 before the end of 2025. But one thing is sure, 2026 is going to see a lot of decline in the cryptocurrency market. If you look at Solana's valuation against Ethereum, it's not performing well. Solana topped against Ethereum since the 13th of January 2025. That was when Donald Trump launched his meme coin on Solana blockchain. Since then, Solana has stopped. Since then, we have seen Solana underperforming against Ethereum. Ethereum has been the joke of this cycle, has been doing well low-key. Over the next few days, I'm sure a lot of market participants are going to run from other blockchains into Ethereum, especially Solana, because while we're in the cryptocurrency market, we're here to make some money. We're here to buy low. We're here to sell high. We're here to buy when there's fear in the cryptocurrency market. We're here to buy when there's extreme fear in the market. And when extreme greed comes, we run for the hills. Because in extreme greed is where you make your money. In extreme fear is where you enter the market. But right now, with extreme fear, market participants are running for the hills. In the coming days and coming weeks, when you see Ethereum dumping, in the coming days and coming weeks, when you see Solana outperforming Ethereum, when you see the altcoin market doing very well, when you see Solana outperforming Bitcoin, don't be shocked, guys. That will be the exit pump. That will be the pump to get out before the big dump to Goblin Town begins. The bull run doesn't last forever. That's one thing that is sure. The bull run usually comes to an end. And to be honest, we have been pumping since 2022 for Solana. Since December of 2022, it has been outperforming Bitcoin. It's still up more than 190% against Bitcoin. It won't outperform Bitcoin forever. At some point in time, a dump to Goblin Town will come. But that time is not yet now, because there's extreme fear in the cryptocurrency market, so I'll favor a bounce to come in the coming days and the coming weeks. Solana drops to 5-month low despite Solana's spot ETF success. Solana's ETF recorded inflows for 13 consecutive days, but Solana price lost key support, sparking fears of a drop to $100. Solana has gotten its own ETF, and historically, guys, ETFs are getting launched during distribution. ETFs are getting launched just before the dump to Goblin Town. Yes, we saw Bitcoin ETF getting launched and Bitcoin pumping, but you don't have to assume that that's what will happen for a lot of these altcoins. A lot of altcoins in the cryptocurrency market are going to see their ETF getting launched just before they start their dump to Goblin Town. And we've not yet seen a proper altcoin season. I strongly believe we'll see altcoin season before 2025 comes to an end. And even though the altcoin season indexes, we saw a little altcoin season in the month of September when Solana went to $250. Hopefully, that's not the top, because if that's the top, we're cooked. If that's the top, Goblin Town awaits us. Solana trades at $140. I expect it to at least rally to $200 or $250 before the end of the year. Drop your thoughts in the comment section, guys. Are you buying more SOL right now? Solana is down bad on a weekly, monthly, and yearly time frame. Where do you see it heading to in the coming days and the coming weeks? Is there a possibility that I'll get to $300 before the end of 2025? Drop your thoughts about that in the comment section. Thank you guys for watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel for more awesome videos like this. Turn on the post notifications to get notified anytime I drop a new video, anytime I go live. Remember, guys, when it comes to investing, nothing will pay off more than educating yourself. And investment in knowledge pays the best interest. Invest for the long haul. Don't get too scared. Don't get too greedy. See you guys in my next video.
Remember, all I'm offering is the truth, nothing more.